Other questions?
Okay, greetings to the House at large. My comment will be short. Freedom and economic justice. I do not believe that we have achieved our freedom and economic justice, especially when it comes to education. The youth of 1976, June Uprising, was fighting against Africans being the medium of instructions. The youth of today must fight for the unequal distribution of resources in the schools that we at. Because when you look at the township schools, there are no libraries there. We're still fighting so that there can be libraries that are there, because we believe that readers are leaders. In order for us as teachers, I am Apiwe Sigadi, a teacher at Cape Town High School. In order for me to teach and for my subject to be learned and understood, my learners need to read, and my learners need to have a book to read, right? So we need libraries, and the government needs to provide us with the libraries and the qualified librarians. Even the students that get qualifications from universities, they need jobs, because we have a high rate when it comes to unemployment in South Africa. We have graduates that do not have jobs. So those graduates need to be provided with jobs in South Africa. And also, in closing, I would like to agree and support my colleague that was saying that we are drowning in debt. I'm still paying for NSFAS, right? And as I am paying for NSFAS, I am expected to provide for my own needs and wants as a qualified teacher. Now, freedom must be free. And Chris Hani, I would like to quote Chris Hani. Chris Hani once said that we are making excuses if we cannot make education free. And making education free is one of the requirements that were written in the CODESA 1 and 2. So those promises that were made before 1994 must come to life. And I thank you.